Hello everyone, so today we are going to draw a very beautiful landscape directly with colors. Okay, so I'm going to do first from here with the brown color. Okay, the brown color I'm just doing like this with the brush. Now you have to do with tap 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 process. Just you have to do it. Okay, from here, don't use any water, directly you can do it. Okay, tap 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 process. Okay, and then you have to make some uh, in the brown. Okay, the brown you have to add some medium yellow. Okay, in the brown you have to add some medium yellow to make like an yellow ochre. Some portion like an yellow ochre in Socha. Okay, and now what you have to do, just I will take the sap green. Okay, I'm going to take the sap green color. Okay, I'm just taking the sap green and just doing the again over here the tap tap process. Okay, the sap green. Just I have done the sap green. Okay, sap green, and then again I'm going to use the yellow color, that medium yellow over here. Okay, and then I'm going to take the deep blue. Okay, I'm going to take the deep blue like Persian blue I will take. Okay, and in the Persian blue I'm going to add little bit of black color to make it darker. 1% of Persian blue, sorry, 1% of black and the Persian blue, you have to mix it to make it darker. From the bottom I'm just doing it from here. Now slowly I'm just going to make the Persian blue lighter. Okay, do with dry brush, it will be very easy for you to do this linings. Okay, use dry brush, then this water wave like structure will come and you can do this easily. And one thing, just in the Persian blue add little bit of light blue. Okay, to make it more lighter. See, if you don't use the water too much, means with zero water, this texture will come like water. Okay, the shining portion of the water like it will come. Okay, Now see, after doing this, what you have to do now, just I will take the brush number 1. Okay, I'm going to take the brush number 1, and with the brush number 1 I'm going to take the Persian blue. Okay, Persian blue, and add deep green. Okay, I'm going to add the Persian green and deep green color to make the darkest green, like Persian green. You can add any blue and any green, any deep green. Okay, to make it. And then from the middle, just I'm going to draw some plants like structure. Okay, if you don't use water, then only this water structure will come in the shade, the white page. If you don't use, means if you use water, this structure will not come. So don't use the water when you are doing the blue color. Use dry brush, it will be easy for you to make this. And do over here a mixture of that green and blue color with a 000 brush, and do it slowly all the grasses. Just I'm doing the grasses like this. Okay, and then I will take the black color and I will do it over here like this. The bottom part of that every stem, just do some black color like this. Okay, now with the, just take some water, mix it with that mixture. Okay, and just draw the shadow of that every that stem. Okay, every stem, just draw the shadow. With the mixture, like a zigzag lining. Okay, very easy and simple to do it. You can use little bit of black to make this. Easy for you to do it. Then from the top you have to use this to make the black color. Okay, with the black color, just try to make it. Some wheat plant like this structure, it's here. Do it black color, it will look good. And now what I will do now, see, I will take the deep yellow. Okay, I will take the deep yellow and I will put some yellow over here like this. And now after this I'm going to take na red color. Okay, I'm going to take, you can take any red color. Okay, you can take any red color and just do it over here, the red shade. Okay, mix it slowly, just mix it. And now what you have to do now with that green mixture, okay, green mixture, just draw some line like this. Acha, in that mixture just add na yellow color, like lemon yellow. If you have the lemon yellow, you can add the lemon yellow to make it as a light green. Okay, with the green, the any green, just you can add the lemon yellow, and if you have the light green you can mix the light green with that to make the yellow green. And with the yellow green just you can draw the stem. See, background is darker, so the stem should be lighter, so that it can be seen easily. Don't make it more darker to visible, don't do it. Make the lighter, it can be visible very easily. Okay, just you have to draw the flowers. Just draw the flowers slowly. Sorry, leaves. Okay, leaves. Sorry, leaves. It should be leaves. Draw the leaves slowly. So your drawing is ready. Okay, thank you.